In this video, I'll show you an easy way to wash your jeans without a washing machine. If you just have one pair you need to wash, you can do it in the sink. And just a note, the green water isn't because these are super dirty, it's just some of the dye that was in the jeans. These are kind of new and that's why that's there. You don't want too much dye coming out, so that's why you want to use cold water. That won't really pull the dye out. There's some spots you want to get clean, you can just rub them together like that. That'll get them extra clean. And regular bar soap works fine. Just get that in the water. And once that water gets dirty, we can drain it out and then we'll fill it up with fresh water. Now we'll just one final rinse, clean them out. We want to try to squeeze out as much water as we can, just by squeezing and working your way down. It speeds up the drying process if you get as much water out now as you can. And then if we just hang it from the shower head, and then all the water that drips off of them will just go into the drain. Just make sure not to turn on the shower. You can definitely see it dripping off already. Now this is dry, you can do this, or you can put it on a heater, or you can do both. You can wait till you get most of the water out of it, then to do the last bit. If you put it on a heater, it'll really speed it up, but it's nice to have the drain right there, and this did a great job. And now these pants are ready to use.